Thank you for joining us here at Roy Nichols Motors, 2728 Courtice Road in Courtice, Ontario. Standing in front of an awesome 2018 Chevy Silverado LS, four-wheel drive, regular cab. We do the Big Ten retro trucks here, and we've had lots of requests to do one in a regular cab. Well, folks, here it is, the regular cab with the conversion kit. Of course, you have the chrome mirror caps and door handles, the chrome exhaust tip, the Big Ten graphics package, the leveling kit, the all-terrain tires, the chrome wheels, just gorgeous inside and out. This truck does have a nice spray-on bed liner, factory installed, red hot, the base color. Under the hood, the Ecotec 3 5.3-liter direct injection V8 engine, variable valve timing, 6-speed automatic transmission. So nice. It's not going to be here for long, I suspect. Lots of eyeballs on this truck since it arrived yesterday. Let's take a look inside. One little bonus feature we have on the truck here, the tube assist step, matte black. You have the handles here to adjust the driver's seat, including lumbar support right out in front. There's a look of the vehicle when you get in it. You're going to have storage in the door here, power windows, power locks, and power mirror for driver and passenger. Going to use that assist step. Trailer brake integration right here, cruise control, signal wiper operation. There's your gear shifter. Rear view color camera view with dynamic grid lines. You have this awesome touch screen here with the date, the time, the temperature, audio, gallery, phone, projection, settings, OnStar. Very responsive. Very nice. There's your fan speed operation, your temperature control, traction and stability control, lighting for the bed of the truck. You have storage here, power outlets. There's your 4x4 shifter on the floor. Your cup holders, of course, more storage in here, tech and connectivity. USB port, auxiliary audio input, auxiliary power, dual glove box, top box locks, passenger side door storage, overhead storage for sunglasses. You have your overhead lighting and ambient lighting right there. A beautiful regular cab truck. Again, the Big Ten graphics. Let's take a look at the back and some more of the features. Gorgeous 17-inch wheels, all-terrain tires. Again, the leveling kit. The gas cap doesn't exist anymore. 2018s or 2019s. I love that. It's a great feature. Again, the Big Ten graphics, corner step on the bumper, set up here for trailering, of course. Look at that gorgeous Chevrolet 1976, but in a brand new truck. You have your locking tailgate. There's the camera lens and factory installed spray-on bow tie, spray-on bed liner. You can see the bow tie there. Very sharp. You have your hooks and lights, all the rest. Let's take a look from the passenger side. No denying this one-of-a-kind truck is gorgeous. Look at the handles. Love the chrome handles. Looks so sharp on this. Red hot, again, the color. Same thing here. You have a full-size door, lots of storage space, power windows, power locks. You have your handles, dual glove box, top box locks. And you can put a car seat in the middle, too, in this regular cab. Whether you're using it for a work truck or just a truck to put the boat in the lake, take the boat out of the lake, whatever. You're absolutely going to love this. Everybody loves the safety and connectivity of OnStar. You have that rear view color camera, the color touchscreen too with the date, the time, the temperature, cruise control, the leveling kit, and those tires make it look amazing. And of course the graphics package, the Big Ten graphics package, on the 2018 Chevy Silverado LS, four-wheel drive, regular cab, red hot again the color. Under the hood, the Ecotec 3 5.3-liter direct injection V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Come see it for yourself at Roy Nichols Motors, 2728 Courtice Road in Courtice, Ontario, just east of high prices. Hope to see you soon.